What's up everyone, it's Winstonee back today to give you guys a brand new video. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that bell to get notified of every new video I post, which will be every Friday and sometimes Tuesdays or Wednesdays. Yeah. As you can see from the title, today I'm coming to you guys with another shoe review. A few weeks back, I did my very first shoe review, reviewing some Beckett Simonon dollar boot. Today I'm coming to you guys with another Beckett Simonon shoes. This is how much I like this shoes. But this time, it's the Durant Oxford Brogues. I'm starting to get more into dress shoes now, so when they sent me this shoe, it was like love at first sight. It's one of those dress shoes that's not too formal or too casual, so it'll pretty much look good with anything. The first time I've worn it with jeans and a dress shirt, and it looked really good. So this is definitely one of those shoes that would be a staple in your closet. The shoe itself at the top is a full grain calf leather. It also has full grain leather lining for extra breathability. And then of course, as you can see, this particular shoe is tan. They have this shoe in tan, black, brown, and like a burgundy brownish kind of color. The bottom of the shoe is also a full grain leather. It also has a sturdy heel that is rubber, which I actually prefer because I have dress shoes that the heel isn't rubber, and you know, whenever I'm on a smooth surface, I always slip. I'm very clumsy. I'm always slipping and falling on a smooth surface, so a rubber heel is definitely a bonus. This particular shoe is made with Blake stitching, which makes it much more flexible to walk in than say a shoe that's made with Goodyear weld stitching. I did a little research on dress shoes, you know, the first time I reviewed them, so I know a little thing or two about stitching now, you know, getting a little better. Also, this is a cap toe shoe from the stitching. As you can see, it's a very unique stitch, like it's like big circles, little circles, and you know, it goes all the way around. That goes around the front of the shoe. As you can see, it goes around the top where the laces are. It also goes around the back. So yeah, overall this is a very good quality shoe. You can tell that by the stitching, by the feel of it. Even wearing it, it's very comfortable. You know, more comfortable than some of my other dress shoes. And this is just me wearing it only a few times. Now, just like the previous Beckett Simonon shoe that I reviewed, the shoe came with a booklet that tells you all about your shoes and how it's made, extra shoestrings, extra soles, and a dust bag for your shoes. I really love Beckett Simonon shoes because, like I said before, all their shoes are handmade, so you know it's of good quality. Not just their shoes, all their accessories as well, such as belts and all those things, they're all handmade, so you know you're getting quality for the price. Beckett Simonon is a direct-to-customer brand, so you can only find their shoes online. You're not going to find their shoes in stores, and they deal with their customers directly. So these dress shoes are about $200 US, which relatively isn't that bad compared to other big brands, so you're getting a lot for your money. Other brands, you find shoes upwards of $300-400 for a good pair of sturdy dress shoes, one that will last you for a long time. One thing you have to keep in mind though is when you order a shoe from them, it will take about 8 to 12 weeks to get to your house because the shoe is handmade. But they do send you frequent emails letting you know what stage of creation your shoe is in, so you're always updated on the process. If you guys like these shoes, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you guys can go and purchase them, and also go and look at Beckett Simonon's other collection of shoes. Don't forget, if you do purchase these shoes or anything else on the website, go ahead and use the code Winstonee at checkout for 20% off your purchase. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Like I said previously, don't forget to subscribe to my channel below and click that notification bell to get notified of every new video I post on Fridays and Tuesdays or Wednesdays. And also give this video a thumbs up. Oh, and a side note, I did make a YouTube story saying that I'll give you guys shout outs in my next video. It won't be this video, it'll be the video that I'll be coming out with on Friday. So make sure you guys come back Friday to watch that video. Yeah, and so on that note, I'll see you guys Friday.